Hello Carver! This is my 10th days and finally, nawala na yung allergy ko for start from 9 days, 10 days, wala na siyang kate. So, my 4th day to 6 days, my body already autophagy. I'm eating a lot of high fat and high protein. Like now, nagluto yung hubby ko ng bone broth chicken. So it's malunggay and petsay. So that's my food today. So I will eat that so that I have high collagen, niacin, and high protein. So I'm so happy the evidence of low carb and healing mode of my body to get the signal from high protein and high fat for amino acid, fatty acid, thank God. And wala akong nilagay na cream or ininom na gamot, basta nag-focus ako sa meat. So, this is the effect of the natural healing mode, no? So, kain tayo ng mga bone broth, mga meat, and high protein, at kinakain ko yung mga fats niyan. And huwag kayong alala, mataas yung cholesterol niyan. It's okay. Normal lang po mataas ang cholesterol natin. Basta wala siyang inflammation. The inflammation comes from the carbohydrate. If you eat 1 cup white rice, it's 15 teaspoons of sugar. We need to lower our glucose or net carb 50 grams, 10 teaspoon below. Pag tumaas yun, nag-i-spike talaga yung sugar natin. So, be wise of our eating. So, ingat tayo. Buo apati, stay low carb.